Facebook friends around the world, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are well. You know, there's only one place in this world where my skin glows, where my eyes sparkle, and Qurahla just hits you at the right angles. You know where I'm at. Hamar Adday. Welcome, guys. I am live from Mogadishu. So do I, say hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Beerta, nabada. Wow, this is the Peace Garden in Mogadishu. I want to show you guys around how beautiful it is. If you think Hamar Adday is not peace, you got it mistaken. Watch this, guys. I'm going to show you around. Look how beautiful it is here. Say hello to Mogadishu, everyone. Look at this green grasses. This is where we come for afternoon tea. I just came from Tanzania and I stopped over at Hamar Adday and I'm like, wow, look at this. Show yourselves around. If you think Somalia may hormari wuli, you don't know nothing, guys. This is amazing. Only place where my skin, my heart, and my life glows. Welcome to Mogadishu Adday. Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Say hi to my Facebook live. Let's go look. I'm gonna look around and see who I can find here. So Dawada, hey Ugaska, hey Abdi. Welcome, brother. Welcome to Hadar Adday. Hey Abu Bakr. How's Borame? So Dawa. Guys, I'm walking around in Beerta, nabada, Mogadishu. Let's see who's here. I found a few guys that are here. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum, Isa. How are you guys? Faisal, welcome from Turkey, brother. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, assalamu alaikum. I am live on Facebook. This is why I love Hamar Adday. I love you guys.
I love you too.
I love you so much, Hamar. Welcome, guys. We're live on Facebook. Dadka Soomaaliya maxaa u sheegaysaan?
Waxaan u sheegaynaa Soomaaliya inay nabad tahay inay soo laabtaan sida Hodan.
Yes. Look at you guys.
We want to say Hamar is very peaceful. You guys come back to Mogadishu.
That's Somali wala hadashaas. Okay,
Oh.
Somali ku hadlo deh.
Karibu Hamar, karibu.
Haram Kareem, yes.
Yes.
Hamar way hormartay.
Fiican tahay.
Ha, well, I'm good. I'm live.
War ma soo laabatay?
Just not too long,
I
though.
don't know.
Don't worry. Susie, I'm coming. Yes, Mohammed, so do. Okay, I'm gonna come, go look around, okay? So guys, look at this. I can't believe it. This is like the Peace Garden in Mogadishu. How amazing is it? And I'm live on Facebook. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. So I have a, that's Shumban Hilaya, 1 second. Be safe. Why am I happy safe? Let me find some beautiful girls in Hamar Choga. Okay, here we go. Let's see this. Hi. I'm live on Facebook just for you guys. Come. Hey, Amal, Awid, welcome, sister. Thank you so much for watching live. Mohammed, welcome. Welcome, Hassan. Thank you for watching. They're watching from India. Wow. So, hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum.
دقن علس باتاي.
ما
كيف دقن علس على صولة تباشر. Who's دقن علس here? You guys? What city are you from?
From Finland.
Finland. Wallahi. Oh, first time in Hamar?
Yes,
How you enjoying it?
very well.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's
MashaAllah.
beautiful. Yeah,
Not what you thought, right?
yeah, it's very nice and peace.
Peace.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. I love that word.
Okay.
Peace starts with us, right? Hey, you Dakan Ellis too? Where, from Finland?
No, from Kenya.
From Kenya?
Yeah.
Dakan Ellis mati
Local.
Waxaas ka tahay Somalia soo laaftay.
We live there in 20 years.
Oh, in Kenya?
Yeah.
Wow. So what do you come back for? You join the army?
No.
He's not joining the army. He's like, no.
Making some business, local business.
Look at this is good. Good. MashaAllah. So salam brother. Say hello.
Hello, all guys.
Tell them welcome to Mogadishu, the new Mogadishu.
It's here in Mogadishu.
Yes, welcome.
We
So
get
do
to
I.
the formato.
Yes, yes.
Arabic, you know Arabic.
Okay, so let me go find my girls here. قبل بدن بمرد ويلكم me and hello. Dakan Ellis, yes, we're all Dakan Ellis. Even that's go away. I think forget about Dakan Ellis. We need to go to what is it? Wanda Ellis. Let's go back to being good hearts, okay, guys? Here we go. Oh my God, Rochester, Minnesota. Thank you for watching. Ambassador Muhammad Ali Noor, welcome. Okay, here we go. Hello. Look at the beauties in Hamar Adday. Say hey, girls.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, see? We're gonna look how she is. Look at these beautiful girls, mashallah. Oh my God, I love Mogadishu. What do you want to say, honey?
Hi.
Asomali ko hadli ka tayo.
Hamar nabad waaye.
Haye.
Waa ujeedin inay qurux badan tahay. so waxaan idhihi lahaa wadankiina kusoo laabto.
MashaAllah. How long
We
it
love
take?
Somali.
Yes, we love Somalia. MashaAllah. Yeah, I think dakan Alice mata. People asking questions. Yeah. Thank you, Abayo. She's so emotional. So when I look at it, yeah? It's super, I get to it. Okay, guys. See, my Somali has even improved since I've been given back. What is it? No, she's shy. Okay. Just selfies. Say hi, girls. Okay, let's see. Let's go see Beerta. This is my friend, Dr. Sadia Siad from Leicester,
Yes.
UK. Say hello to her.
Hi, everybody. I'm very glad that you are joining us live from Mogadishu.
I can't believe this
Beerta
is...
nabada.
Yes, welcome.
My God.
Let's go see where the kids are playing.
Okay then.
Okay. You know how much I love children. I'm a mom, so let's go see Arut Mesha Ku'iyaran. This is so amazing.
I know.
Wallahi, I want to tell all my viewers out there. The first time I came to Hamad was 2.5 years ago, and I did my first documentary in this city. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. In 2.5 years, this city has changed drastically. I mean, just to see people walking on the streets, to see the guns reduced, to see that people want real change, subhanallah. I don't know what else to say, but I can see the difference because I've actually been and witnessed it. Assalamu alaikum. Say, look at the people sitting here with their babies, mashallah. Mwah.
Beautiful baby.
Can I put her on camera? But mashallah, look at this. Welcome to Hamad Adday. Muna, look at Muna. Little Muna is enjoying this beautiful garden. MashaAllah, guys. Everybody say MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you, Abaya. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Let's see what Sharutik here. This is live from Mogadishu. If you're joining me live, this is Hodan naleyeh with Integration TV. I am hanging out in Hamad Adday. Look at where the kids are playing in the park. Who would have thought there's a park in the middle of the city? MashaAllah. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. He's like, get away from me, I want to swing. Let's see who's here. Oh my God, let me show you guys these two little beautiful girls. Thank you. Look at this. Hi, Lala. Assalamu alaikum. Oh my God, look at this. Welcome to Mogadishu Adday, where children are having fun. Hey, Habibti. Well, let me hear Habibti. Say salam. Princess, why? Princess. She's like, no, I don't want to talk to nobody. Welcome to my Facebook Live, guys. Live from Mogadishu. قبل ما يتقانا حبيبتي. Say hi. Why? Let's go down here. Tell them why you love Hamad. You love living in Hamad? Okay. Don't worry. Just now.
Live yeah.
Live in Kuchira. Almost thousands of people. Say salam. نبدا مقدوشي أركيان ده.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, mashallah. You're not shy? Do you watch on Instagram or حاجة خلاص وقتها? Instagram.
Instagram كاجا وهايا. Facebook أقول لك ما هايا.
Oh, okay, don't worry. Facebook is for older people. I think Instagram is also. Okay, guys, so there you have it. I'm live from Hamad Adday. I don't know what else to say. I love it here. Everyone thinks I'm crazy whenever I go to Mogadishu, but I tell them they're crazy because they haven't seen paradise until they have taken a dive in Lido Beach. I love it. How could you not love this country? Look at this. Wow. Just take that in. Does it look like suburban America? I think so. What's different than anywhere else? MashaAllah. Abdurrahman, thank you, Bala Sodawo. Live. Enjoy the eye candy from Hamad Adday today. Oh, look at this. People taking social media selfies. Let's go this way. The Beerta has nice this way. Look how beautiful it is. Am I the only one who gets excited by Somali success? I don't know. Oh, there's my guy. Say salam. Come on. Let's say hi to this guy. Right? You're definitely not Dakan Ellis.
مي دقن علي أنا اسمي يعني دلك شعبك.
Yes. Say salam to everyone. They're watching. Thousands are watching live right now. Yes. So Yes. Hey Ahmed, welcome to my live feed. Abdelkader Mohammed, I love you too. So walalo. Abdurrahman Yusuf, you just joined my chat. Thank you. Welcome. Muse, how are you? Mostly, I miss you on Instagram. If you guys have not seen my Instagram, I have not posted videos lately because I'm actually locked out of my account. I tried too many times to get in with a different phone. It didn't work because my phone got lost in last annual. But anyways, welcome. Look at this. How amazing is this? How amazing is this? Welcome to Mogadishu, guys, where people are having asriya and shah and relaxing. And let me find Adris. Adris is here from the USA. Hey guys, salam alaikum. Say hi to everybody on Facebook. They're watching us live. How shagisa Mogadishu dadka Facebook show. What are you gonna tell? What are you gonna tell them about Mogadishu? Look at you guys. Allah, I like your outfit. Wow, check out the jeans. Mother welcome. You guys check out his jeans. Wallahi, welcome to Hamar. Wahurmartin wallahi. What's the style? You guys look so like fashion.
To stand to the leg of the people. It's so beautiful. Instead to say to Jack in Beerta.
Yes.
Very happy to stand to cooperate with you.
Yes. Somali ku hadla. It's okay.
Okay.
Somali daawanay meel uga.
هذا وفرحسنا إن Beerta نمط جو.
Yes.
أنا أسوي كل قلو.
Yes, we'll take a picture together. But I love your outfit. Look at guys how these kids are dressed. Wow, wow, wow. So fashion. Hey, I like your cooler. This is a fashion thing too. Let me see this one. Wow. This is looks cool. Look at this, guys. The boys in Mogadishu, man.
Sorry, look at sorry.
Want to take a picture? Okay, Snapchat or? Okay, we're gonna take a photo, guys, live. Wow, you guys have amazing filters. Thank you, Ola. Thank you so much. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Look, you know what I love is the fact that they're like enjoying like life here. Let's find they better had it. Assalamu alaikum. Say hi to Facebook Live. Say hi. Hi. Kuwan waa qurba jooga soo noqday. Dadka iska dhiga khadar waa qurba joogte. Dadka local ka saamaha, right?
You know, no.
I love the local Mogadishu people. They're so sweet and so kind. Qurba joog kibirka iska daaya, yeah? Okay, guys, look. I'm almost here. Where else am I? Let's go see. Should we go see where the basketball court is? Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Look at this little girl. Hi, Habo. Can you say hi? Listen, I love babies here. Oh my God, look at her angel. She's calling me. Say salam. Look at this. How could we deny this is the future of our nation? Hi, Hoya. She's like, I don't like the camera. Wala bre already. Camera te lali. Okay. Say bye. Look. Ah, wala. Want to take a picture? Okay.
Yes.
We're doing a photo? Okay, go ahead. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Facebook Live doesn't get better than this.
Okay.
I'm a local banana hadda, right?
Okay.
Yes. He's like, okay. What did I say? Yeah, okay. Alright, okay, let me see. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Check it out. So amazing. MashaAllah. Next time you have a bad impression of Hamar Ade, just look around these young people who are having a good time with social media and showing, look at this guy. Allah khatar. Fashion batahaya. Look how they're enjoying life here. I love it. Live on Facebook. Even the cats are enjoying life here. Let me see here. I love it. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let me go show you guys where the kids are playing soccer. Then I can finish up. Cause live. Hi, assalamu alaikum. Should we? I'm live on Facebook. You guys want to be on? Are you? Dakan Ellis on there? Yes.
We're actually Toronto.
Toronto. Oh my God! Say hi, everyone. Thousands are watching us live.
Hi, Facebook Live.
What do you guys want to tell them about Mogadishu?
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, you love it here?
Yeah, it's nice. It's really beautiful.
Oh, look at you guys, so pretty. The sun agrees with us all here, right?
For sure.
You don't need makeup in Hamar, okay? Yeah, sure. Well, you want to come in the picture, girl?
I'm gonna snap you for a second.
On a snap? Oh my God, here Toronto, we're snapping live.
Hodan, naleyeh, Beerta, nabada.
Yay! Say hi. We're live on Facebook too.
Hi, Facebook.
Social media 101 in Hamar Ate. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the soccer and then I'm gonna get off because yes, let's go to the soccer. Woo! This is what it's about. Look at this. Man, this is the best fun I've had in a long time. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Hamar Adey. Hi, Kabda. Salam. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna go to where the soccer is. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. I want to welcome you guys live if you're joining me. This is Hodan naleyeh with Integration TV. I'm in my beautiful country of Somalia, in the city of Mogadishu, the capital city of our beautiful country. And I've been reporting on the changes the last couple of years in this great city. And I can tell you right now, it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and the kids are out at the park, and the people are coming to enjoy soccer. And look at this. This is so amazing. Let's check it out. Hi, guys. We're live on Facebook. Salam alaikum. Okay. Say salam.
Salam.
So, مسوق لي كرا. مسوق لا. Okay, soccer kan galiya.
From UK.
Somali ba? Ako hadlaya de wala. So look. Haday kubadda ku dhacdana maxaan sameynaya? So I'm live. This is an actual live soccer game in the middle of the city in Mogadishu. Welcome. Whoa, score! Oh! Wow, look at this. This is the Mogadishu they never show you guys. I love it. Hi, Wala. Say hi to Facebook. Look at Facebook down here. Say salam.
I want to say to Galabra.
Come with the Elasho. What out of there? Okay. Anyways, we have one more thing. Hold on. This is so amazing. I don't know how excited I am today that I'm in Hamar Adey and able to enjoy this weather. I had some Somali shah with Ades earlier, and guess what? I'm walking around in my beautiful country, enjoying my life. And I don't understand why people hate on this city, because they've never experienced it. Stop hating on Mogadishu, guys. Hamar Adey is going places. In 2 years, if it could change like this, imagine 5, imagine 10. Subhanallah. Let's see. We're going around somewhere else. Okay. Let me turn the camera around. Hey, Ahmed Yassin, thank you for watching live, brother. Welcome. Zakaria Mahamoud Sodawo. I love you guys. Thank you so much for following my page. You know I'm all about Somali positivity and everywhere we are. Pretty soon I'm going to share with you guys my new barnamish Bahaya Delka Tanzania, and where I met so many Somali millionaires who are doing great things and building businesses. And guess what? Now I'm here in Mogadishu, just sharing with the youth the beauty of this country and how much they can do so much. Salam alaikum! How are you guys? You know what? It's beautiful to come to a city where everybody knows your name. Hi, Walalo. So do Say hi.
Say hello.
Everybody's watching live. We have thousands of Somalis watching live around the world. What do you want to tell them about Mogadishu?
Mogadishu, it's
I want to go back to London.
yeah, I want to go back to London.
You want to go back to London?
Yeah.
What pizza waiting? He misses his pizza at McDonald's.
Yeah.
What pizza pasta? Yeah, where are you from?
London.
London?
Yeah.
Is your first time in Hamad?
Yeah, first time, yeah.
How do you feel?
I want to go back home.
Your skin looks so good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's nice, right? Why do you want to go back? You haven't been out?
Yes.
Yeah.
I miss my friends and that.
Yeah, because you haven't taken in the moment to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still thinking about your life in London.
Yeah, there's nothing
when you're in
much to
Somalia, you got to think about the life here and maybe volunteer at an orphanage. You know, like you have to get in the feel.
Where?
You need to lose your phone for 2 weeks and you'll enjoy Mogadishu and Somalia. Yeah? Run ma hoya. Yeah.
Salam alaikum.
That's not.
Waxay ka shidan tahay.
That's not true.
Beerta waday ka shidan tahay. Waa yaraw iyo caruurteeda. Waa idin salaanay. Salam alaikum.
You come here, go on your bed and go on your phone every day. It's boring outside.
We need to lose his phone.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, but the little tuck every day. Yeah, you need to go swimming every day. Let's get that telephone. Okay, so this is exciting. See, you get to meet everyone. I'm not biased. Some kids will not like it. Hi, girls. Can I talk to you guys? Okay. We listen here. Okay, my battery's gonna die. I've been on for like an hour. wiilka McDonald's rabaade yaa McDonald's u furaya Soomaaliya. Hey walaal salaam alaykum. Say hi to Facebook live ku dheh salaam dadka salaam.
Hi guys.
Muqdisho maxaa ka sheegaysaa?
Muqdisho
saacad wanaagsan baa wadataa. Let me see your watch. Ma Rolex ba? Well ninkan Rolex buu haystaa. Dadka tusay Rolex tag. Wow.
Wow. Thanks madam.
Thanks madam. Let me say hi to you. Haya adigna kaba casishaadka soo dhawo. Haya.
halkan waxaan ka salaamay Hodan naleyeh asxaabteeda ayana aad iyo aad aan u salaamay. Welcome to Muqdisho.
Thank you walaal. Thank you so much. Thank you. What do you want to say? Thank you walaal. Thank you. Enjoy guys. Ma shahba sugaysan? Oh gabdho which one? Shah or gabdho? Okay, so look at this. Another cool thing they have here is you can order food while you're enjoying the park. Wow, I can't believe this. Am I the only one who's fascinated by Somali hormar? Look at this. There's a restaurant here. You can order food. They have everything here. Hiya walal, maxa iibinaysan? Bariis iyo basto? No. Huh? Fish and chips? Oh yeah, pizza waa taala meeshan there. That's nice. I love it. Koob shaah cadays ma haysan? Shaah cadays and a border only. Okay, I'll be back. We'll soon noqonaya. Soo laabanaya. Okay, so I'm done. I keep saying I'm done. I'm like, woohoo! Don't hate, guys. Muqdisho way hormartay. Welcome to Beerta nabada. Say hi, girl. Si gabdhaha way iska dhigaan khatar kuwa badan, but don't worry. Salaanta dadka waa laga qaadaa. Wow, meeshaas ka shidan tahay. Masalaamin karaa? Assalaamu calaykum. Waxay xishoonina Facebook live aan ku jiraa. Dadka ma salaamaysaan? Meesha waxaa u malay wax khatar ka socda. Assalaamu calaykum.
Alaykum salaam wa rahmatullah.
Dadka Facebook. Hey, nice suit, buddy. Suit wanaagsan baa gashan. Dadka salaam. Assalaamu calaykum. Whoa, nice outfit too. Hey, bye. Say salaam. Facebook live aan ku jirnaa. Dadkana xamar ay daawanayaan. Dadka maxaa u sheegaysaa dadka?
dadka waxaan leeyahay xamar waa nabad ku soo dhawaada. Suuq qurux badan u jeedin. aad iyo aad kugu mahad celinaya. Thank you.
Walaal xirasa. Dadka baa hadlayaba soo dhawow.
Oh, here is Mogadishu. Welcome, everybody. Mogadishu waa nabad. Wadankii waa okay. Ha lagu soo laabto. Wadankii baa ku barwaaqaysanayna.
I love it.
I love it.
Jacket ma la sameeyay? You stylist?
Yeah.
Fashion ku jirta? Wallahi. Looks nice. Nice jacket.
Yes, me and you.
Yeah, on the Snapchat. Okay. This is live, guys.
Live, guys.
Yeah.
It's pictures.
It's
beautiful, girl.
Thank you. I love it. Someone ko hadli kartin. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, anyways, I can't believe my Facebook live is on fire because people want to see Hamar Ade. Say salam, guys. Snapchat live ba lagu jira meel walba. Way aaminsan yihiin dadka way la yaaban yihiin. Haye maxaa sameynaysaa live Snapchats? This is so cool. I'm so amazed how social media is taking over this country, wallahi. MashaAllah. Look at the liras. They're just taking photos. They're just enjoying their life. Subhanallah. Assalamu alaikum, Baya. Anyways, I love it. Let's see here. See, we're almost done. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to walk to the other end. By the way, I'm walking my heels, guys. High heels. In Hamar. Let's see. Alla gabadhan someone mukula gali kara. Look at it. Say hi. So we're on Facebook live and kuchina. Say salam. She's so cute, mashallah. Bye, Habibti. I love it. Hey, Hodan Yasin, welcome to my chat, honey. Thank you so much for joining live. Abdisalan, Sodawo, Ladan Abdi, welcome. Welcome to your beautiful city, sister. We're almost done. So I'm going to show you guys, is this where are we now, Sadia?
Abbas is coming.
Abbas?
Yeah.
Okay, Abbas is the
Co-owner.
my favorite thing I always see in Hamad is boys holding hands. It's like best friends, mashallah. That's what I'm talking about. Best friends. Walalo wayed. Let's see, where are we?
That is Abbas.
Shahmi, please قبتين. Shahmi, order guys. Abbas, come, Abbas. This is the man who made this possible. Abbas also do a live and kuchinaya. Thousands and a dawanaya. How was she gisa?
waxaan u sheegaynaa xamar nabad tahay meel dalxiis tahay wanaagsan tahay ummadda ku soo dhawaadaan ku soo laabtaan
meesha adiga maamulo wax walba ya
ma insha Allah maamulo kale leedahay laakiin wariyaasha kamid
ah okay ma sha Allah
You can interview.
Okay.
Hey salaam alaykum
salaam
dadka salaam
saytiin qaraab
maxaa u sheegaysaa dadka
Hodan waa ku soo dhaweynaynaa magaalada Muqdisho
Thank you walaal
waxayna imaatay magaalada Muqdisho meesha ugu qurxoonada joogtaa
Yes ma sha Allah
servicekeedina waa arki doontaa dad badan oo yaqaanana meesha way joogaan oo ku soo dhaweynaynaa mar labaad meesha
Thank you walaal
dadka kale oo meesha ka maqan waxa la yahay sida Hodan oo kale meesha hal imaado wax badan ayaa loo guys u baahantiin ogaatiin
Yes, they need to learn a lot. So as you can see, I am live from Mogadishu, Hamar Adey. Welcome. This is it, guys. Look at the beauty of our country, mashallah. I don't know what else to say. I enjoy going on vacations. I enjoy hanging out in every city. I enjoy drinking anagil. This is my summer vacation. I live in Canada, but my country calls my heart every time. So here we go, guys. Look around. Take another look in. Change your perception of reality by looking at beautiful things daily, by seeing the goodness in things in life. And this is what you see. Welcome to Hamar Adey. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our country and give us the peace that we seek within so that we can all return to our beautiful country. My son came back with me and he loves it here, and I hope to keep bringing him every summer to enjoy our beautiful beaches and eat fresh food, organic food, and learn his beautiful language. I love you guys. Live from Mogadishu. Take care. Almost Bye. Catch you next time. Take care, guys.